What is up, you guys? Today's video we're going to be talking about Coreweave and why I believe you should be buying it right now. So let's go here and I want to show you guys my portfolio and exactly why I think Coreweave is an opportunity, of course. But honestly, Coreweave is AI cloud database. I mean, they specifically are just focusing on AI, which we all know is the future, and it's going to be used for cloud database. So even when it comes to physical AI, eventually it's going to be using this. So I do think down the line, Coreweave is going to be a huge company. Let's get more into it and I'll show you guys the levels that I want to be buying at. I do see it already uptrending. So let's go here. And I want to go here on the daily here. I like to see the daily usually for charting. Okay, so what we have here is the boiler band, right? And then we always have the Fibonacci chart is what I use for finding the value and to see if things are overextended or not and oversold. And honestly, see the Fibonacci here? It hit right at this support level. So all-time highs, support, resistance, broke down super aggressively, hit this support, now it's bouncing back up. And honestly, I'm already holding Coreweave. It looks like it's uptrending in the market really high, really well. It's almost trading at $99 right now. My opportunity buy zone was here. I was hoping it'd break down the 64 mark so I could add more shares in this opportunity zone. But right now, Coreweave is currently a buy just because of the momentum. You can see the moving average has crossed really high here. So if you're looking to buy Coreweave right now, aggressively is the time, just because of such an uptrend that they're going in. They already hit that support mark. Unless there's really bad news in the market, I would just be adding positions here. And if it dropped, I'd be averaging in positions. I wanted a big opportunity here, of course, got a little greedy and wanted it at the 64 to, this area. I was going to start loading positions equally. People, you might sometimes disagree with these, little squares that I like to do in the future, but it has worked out really well for me. It's grown in my portfolio, and Oracle is one that I'm looking at as well to buy in this area of, let's see, should you zoom in here? We're looking at Oracle at 174 to all the way to 144. I'm going to be adding positions here. Another one that is, Netflix, of course. Netflix is, if you're looking to invest, you should check out Netflix. It's a really good oversold company right now. Let's see here. So we're going to look at the Netflix chart here. Zoom out for you guys. Zoom out the chart here. And this is my buy area zone. So we all know Netflix is a great company from the all-time highs. I'm going to be buying at the 82 mark all the way to the 67 mark. Highly recommend you to buy Netflix. Coreweave is an amazing company to hold long-term over the years. Highly recommend it. Oracle, also, if it drops at this price point, get it on sale. And let me show you guys, like for Tesla, for example. I always bought the dips on Tesla. I want to show you guys this. So this is the weekly here. And every time I hit these marks, I loaded up positions. So you can see here, let me zoom in for you guys here. I bought it at 100. I actually sold it right here at the all-time highs because you can see from the boiler band, it was super overextended. I literally sold it 480, bought it back at this moving average. And right now it's in an uptrend. I only buy the dip opportunities and only sell if it's super overextended, and I'll just buy it back when it's cheaper. It's all about making money in this channel. And Coreweave right now, if you're looking to invest, is a great cheap stock. Even though it's $99, you have to look at not the stock price, but the market cap. And when stocks go to like $1,000, companies usually do stock splits to bring it down. So if it's like $1,000 and they do a 10-to-1 stock split, they give 10 shares to the person and they drop it down by, so how do I explain this? Is like, let's say if a share is $1,000, like Netflix. Netflix is trading at $89, but at one point it was $1,000. They just stock split 10 to 1. So now everybody has 10 stocks and the price drops to $100. So it's like divided by 10. So that's what companies do. People, beginner traders tend to not want to buy something when it's a very high price, like Tesla or other stocks like that. But you can't look at it at a price point range. You have to look at it as investing in long-term good companies. It's how you're going to grow your portfolio and be wealthy and just grow year after year. So let's go back to here. I want to show you guys, right, what I like to do here. Let's go back here. I want to go to this investing portfolio. I want to show you guys a yearly. In 1 year, I grew the portfolio. It's, let me show you here, 48%. Honestly, it was more year to date. So I want to be a little bit more aggressive this year and try to hit it at 75%. So if you want to learn all the trades, you can always follow along. Hit that subscribe button. Coreweave, amazing. I like to invest in NVIDIA. I'm very AI driven, as you can see. I just think it's the future and everything. NVIDIA, number one. Any dips, buying opportunities, I'd buy. Tesla, of course, as right now, you know, their focus is not on the cars anymore. It's more on the robo-taxis as well as Optimus, physical AI, which is going to be crazy. Meta, of course, because they're trying to take over the phone. It's eventually going to be something very different. It's going to take a while for that to happen. Coreweave, amazing. I think it's an amazing company to invest in long term. And, you know, Amazon, just because of the financials, I might just sell because they're not really making that much net profit, but they're growing year after year and they use all their money to reinvest into the company. Yeah, that's about it. If you want any stocks you want me to talk about, leave them in the comment down below. I'll do an overview of the buying opportunities that I see on that stock. And also, if you're new to the channel, hit that like button, subscribe. I really appreciate any comments, likes, anything like that. It helps me out a ton in this channel. All these stuff is here to help you guys out as much as I can. That's about it, guys. Any questions, comments, leave them in the comment. See you guys.